Hey guys, it's Crafty Cat, so welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be doing digital art on an iPad. So in this digital art video, I'm going to be drawing lemonade. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm drawing a cup with the line of symmetry, which you can do on Drawing Guide. Then I'm going to off Drawing Guide and start with the lemon on the side. I'm not going to be doing the details just yet, but then I drew a straw, and then I added a new layer just to do the lemonade inside the cup. Later I erased the edges. So now I'm going to be doing the details for the lemon, and I'm just drawing the lines like a lemon is. And now I'm just doing some extra details like drawing some circles as the background. You don't have to do circles, you can do lines or any other design. So once you're done with the design on the background, you're going to create a new layer, and I'm going to put this layer underneath all the layers except for the background color, and I'm going to use this for the color of the lemonade. So I'm just filling it in with the edges, and then I'm filling in the actual lemonade. Then I'm using a lighter color and doing that for the lemon, and then I am going to use an orange, a vibrant orange for the straw. I've created a color palette, but you can just use any references or anything like that to make your color as closest to mine. Now we're going to add some shadows. So create a color a little bit darker than the color you had before, and since my light is going to be coming from the right, I'm going to be doing my shadows on the left. When you're done doing your shadows, now's the time to fix up any mistakes you have or some extra lines that you wanted to erase before. Once you're done fixing up your mistakes, now you can start with the background. Fill in your background, and you can do any color. I'm just going to be doing a color that matches, like yellow. So I didn't mention this before, but I'm using the app Procreate, and I'm going to be using the free pen Studio Pen to do all my inking. What I think works best is the Apple Pen, but if you do not have the Apple Pen, you can just use any alternatives. So that's it for now, but comment down below if you want a full tutorial on how to use this app. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!